Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Marisa Rustio with student ID number 2023-32099. Today I will explain this coding script. And then HTML doc type HTML line ID declares that the documents use HTML. HTML line ID indicates the main language of the page is Indonesia. Inside HTML head meta charged UTF-8 set the character encoding to UTF-8 to support a wide range of character. HTML meta, this is HTML meta name viewport, content with device with initial scale 1.0 makes the web page responsive and scale properly on mobile device. HTML title laporan praktikum 03 title says set the page title that appears on the browser tab. And then HTML link href, this is link the bootstrap 5.3.3 CSS library from responsive design and pre-built UI components. And then body start, this is HTML body class, BG, like set the body background to a light gray using bootstrap BG light class. And then container the page title, HTML div text container MT5 H2 class text center MB4 laporan praktikum 03 div class container MT5 creates a bootstrap container with the top margin H2 class text center MB4 display the page title center with bottom margin and then output display area a placeholder div where the output will be displayed after the form is submit form section is this. Define a form with the ID for laporan. Use the JavaScript to handle subsection and name and student ID input. 2 columns side by side, one for name, text input, and one for student ID or name, number input. Both are required for help. Origin favorite, lecture, and birth date inputs. This. Until this is. Okay, first column, origin, text input. Second column, for free lecture. Dropped list. Third column, birth date input. Section label. HTML class row, this is. Okay. A bold label indicating the next section is about favorite things, favorite friend, and AI inputs. Okay, this is until this is. Second column, favorite AI text. The submit button is this is submit button. The gap tool makes the button full with the sweet spacing between primary style as a blue bootstrap button and then bootstrap JavaScript. Is this? Bootstrap JavaScript functionality needs a feature like plus button is alerts, custom JavaScript 777 document. Okay, this is until this is. Listen for the form, submit even prefine this default page reload. Get form values. This is until okay. Get three values from each input field using their IDs. Build output and this is until okay. Controls the multiple alert box using the collect input values include a success message at the end and at the end. Display output this is output. Insert the output into the hasil output div to show on the page. Okay. This is okay. My name is Marisa. Name okay. If I Google yes Okay, this is yeah, finally. Next, contoh 2 HTML. This is number 2. HTML.type. HTML declares the document type. This tells the browser that the file is HTML5 document. And then HTML length. Again, open the HTML document and set the language to English for accessibility and CE. Head section. The head text contains metadata, style sheets, and the page title. HTML. This is set the character encoding to UTF-8, so the page supports all character and symbols. And then HTML meta viewport until scale makes the page responsive, adapting its layout to the screen size of the device. HTML title, see the title on the of the web page that appears on the browser tab. And then this is HTML link href. Import Bootstrap CSS from a CDN to style the page with a responsive and modern look. And then this is import a suite alert library CSS to style pop-up alert message. Okay, hit ends the hit section, body section, class HTML, class B like, start the body content applies a like background using Bootstrap. And then class container, Bootstrap container the center, the content with top margin, HTML is display a center heading with a bottom margin. And then this is start a form with the ID report form to capture the user input. And then form files, name and name. Okay, name and name. With a row with bottom margin, and then this is HTML class code. This is until div label input field for the username and using the strip for styling. And then this is input field for user student, number name, accent numeric field is only, and then from this is until this is HTML class start another row, a text of input, user place of origin, and then a drop down menu for selection, a favorite lecture. The first option is disable placeholder, and then okay, this is until game. That picker input for section user birthday, favorite items. This is section. A full with label prompting user to fill in favorite relates input, and this is until this is two text field, one for user favorite friends name and one for their favorite AI tools, and then submit button. This class grep cap2, a full with Bootstrap style submit button, and then script inclusion GS. This is loads the Bootstrap JavaScript feature like modals, drop downs, etc. Then script loads with alert 2 for showing styles pop-up alerts, and then JavaScript logic, document get. This is adds a submit event listener to the form of prevent default preference the default form submission behavior page reload, and then JavaScript this is until this is collects the value from the form, inputs and remove any leading trailing white space, and then JavaScript this is validates that's all field are filled. If one is missing, it's showing an error, and then JavaScript this is if all inputs are valid, is secondly shows with alert pop-ups with each field data, then display a success message. Okay. Helper function that show a red error alert with the message space. Okay. My name is Lisa. Okay. Error. Next name. Error. Okay. If finish. Yes, my name is Lisa. That's my name. Yes, from. Yes. Okay. Wait for it. Success. Okay. Thank you, everyone.